Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena, who pay Biasha, Amansane, winner no baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini Papa Bena, who pay Biasha, Amansane, winner no baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, Yama Abusiafo Ahane Makwaba, hi Kumawood TV, Yatanase, Sinupimre, and also Yamfa Seda Emma Otwediampo, your boss, a boss, I say, I did name or no, and Yadano, Elunti, say, at the patching as some dear say, na Tachamada Bojimu, Moja Edia Fusani Mua, near Casa, and Yahoden, a Twediampo, and I, Allah, Adaroma, 30 days, and I union crab for a bomoding, a coach a concron, at the Isugu Twediampo Yankopon, say, Allah Moa, na we are say. Yare kodiewu COVID-19 abe dore ko ekumuno onyame enyin firi ho maye ye ogide se ene ya fast na ba wiye ne nkromofo nyina no edi salade na Twediampo adaroma yare no kora na ebe koro kwan bi aso wo se ekoro fisi nso Nyankopon etie ye mpaebo atrase ye benyamre na jumari atundu din sinpi yatumi esinupi ewo ha na hyene so se ene enya fo fida baako yene no nkramofo konkyena mo ye guso a yene o mo nyina na kan mo ayidi afofida no sanso na African Union in 1963 na abibiman kambo mu be 35 countries adwene se o se nyina kambo na yetumi eboa na yepeja abibiman na abibiman ebeye oman ana se continental ebejan na so etimi ade no ho na aboa ama ne nkrofo nso no eho etimi ato mo 57 years on saying ena bibrem esi etie se wo ya bibini wo ya Ghana ni Nigeria na awo Mali na awo baby awo ya bibrem se wutu kwan free bibrem na wo san ko other continent eya na ne mate sen na wo si hunu ne ma eya na ya na enei bibrem nyina no ye kai na yetumi yesinupi se since 1963 said Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and a pamfo enya adaje enya adwempo se wo so mutumi transe na ye kan hubu mu no mpuntu ano mope mpeja ano mope no sa na tie ana sem no dos bebre oba Ghana Transparency International say in every year oman no elusu $3 billion to corruption ketase Foreign kankankwano in every year 3 billion but o mine no kwaje $2 billion yese betumi akwan wo Ghana nyina ana akwan do no ana ye age ne ye boy yesem but the sika ehwegu e wo mine no mu no afi bia no esompo sene besi na kwaje uko Angola in 2002 Angola only 2002 sika Angola mine enyaye na enyagro close to $800 billion aye oil sika na no mine Angola in 2002 nkwa enyaye wa Angola bare sika no ewo hene na nse nche mo bekaya na abibiman empanifo nyina kan bu mu ko China omukoye bomo akopa besia China ban ye se obema abibiman $60 billion ni eni age na bibiman mpanifo ahodo bom se ha de kyerɛ. But then only Angola etimi raise $800 billion in just 1 year. Sika ne ho be fire kwabrane after sika ne so. Ebibi man keta hyehyɛ proye ne kankan. Pese min kuminya na ntitwitwa e na ebibi man ana ebibi for eyede. There are 3 key things Professor Lumumba be catch say ejira so pa ma say oman bia betum po betimi koso agriculture, education and health. But na ebibi man twitwa yato plate so na obia no twitwa bia anti US ba na obitwa bi no mo de ko China ba no obitwa bi no de ko ama sade ye wasa bibire si konanim no entimi konanim sa ya transi yebenyamre na yatimi yedi nkomo na ebusa se menu mienu ye mfom so ne sen ena ma abibire man entimi enkosoe yebenyamre na yedi ho nkomo eye wo ne me ye ne ye bi ayeye trotro driver wo hwe me taxi driver wo tie me mesi ne wo tie me wo no baabi unya nkodu so kwa no ketenkete awo ye ne fom ho no eno ne mo man ne ntumpon ntimi no mienu ne ye ma oman no entimi ntumpon ene politician nyame na dom na okọ parliament a opeso ode 4 years no ano eye ne hu nyina yie ye aduane na ye de ama nipa na ye de poster abo akiri aduane 5 Ghana cedis na ye de sticker abo akiri indicating say honorable asmesi ay aton aduane 5 Ghana cedis amwadi ye beto abai NPP delegate ebedi dipa bebeje 5,000 bebeje 2,000 inti jiji we nyina awi a okọ parliament ho a sika no kofa mfiri no de aba oman no ebibire mu si apini bada me no miru ne betumi asinopi ama ebibi man etumi afaranto mapafra medin edise Mike jumadi no sinopi on Komawu TV na yebesa nyamre na yedi nkomo elections o se koso electoral commission bi anse sign nti o sa bato no ekoso beden se electoral commission ebeye new voter register anaso the old one bekono so manso o Ghana. NDC ne some opposition parties started long time ago. Enei omda so ginem say yare abade a eni kwan say EC eye new voter register. Ebimu kra say EC no say nyame anya adom na omko new voter register no a 2021 ombe impeach EC so omba ban mu a. Ebenya mre na edi nkomo ebusa say dia na asesa. Nsam wa mambanda da John Dramani Mahama kan ye. Say nya electoral commission man nya na dwuma no. Enyam bia si esinipi wa ha. Openi no dawroma Ghana mampeni obedi ade oda so eye statement ni bra fi ana se abro ne bayi bi ana trimodin bi ana so wa ban mu na hunu se ye unimu enye ye bedi ho nkomo COVID-19 eguso yare ne kum nipa enei me de wura mu e wo wiase nyina 5,529,649 5,529,649 cases and are recorded globally, with total deaths 347,166. Anyone I area kumwomo. Ona watomo 2,318,628. Watomo yamiadum omo akombisuyaho. US and LED still with 1,688,709 and a US LED. 99,348 deaths and I record US. It's all Ghana na say na na kora. Inipa owo US no. Ghana oba constituencies bi abe mi ensan akabum. Nipa nyina asa e US. Yare na yare. Ye yin free wa oba o my Ghana last week e betena ha na e wo form eni ekosoro pa. 6,808 cases and I recorded. New infections 125 with 32 deaths. 2,070 and I on one omhotimi atomo or yare COVID-19 emu. Over 194,000 tests and Ghana Health Service are conducted or my Ghana. Ibenya mrene no so yetimi edi ho enkomo. Beren ye di nkomo nyina no ebi mo so bo homodin pa planning for food and jobs ekoso. Na ene bekaya enkana na kube eya de awko western region zema ho na edua kube pa ene ni na kube ni na no etwa gu dua roba then the municipal chief executive owo Nzima East honorable from Okpanyi any the Western Region minister any afi member of parliament or Evalujura say there be e was say ombo modern na kube seedlings no yetimi de makuafo no mudua say de be ya kube no ayese mema kora no mo a e ma hoden ba mu no on betimi so enya bi e o my Ghana na omo e de nema no ma akuafo no enkwere ketewa bi mfamra ya ba the YEA National PRO Youth Employment Authority PRO Awa Muhammad Ewaha so na parliamentary candidate for Inshia's constituency in the ticket of the NDC Evangelist Richard Pra ono so ha ebenyamre na yedi nkomo hye so say on YouTube Samdakus TV and then on Facebook Kumawood TV oro adwenkyere ba on 0543596070 na yakenka ha yenkohwe de akuafo a omo Nzima East in the Western Region enyaye e de free honorable MC Frank Okpanyi ho ye ba ebedi nkomo
Mr. Alex,
Coronavirus is taking control over every situation in the country. But also, my opinion, exemptions of omo lockdown. The food, all those in the food, food and agriculture value chain were exempted. Because they are in a comedy. And in agriculture, say we are time bound. The main also a business of 1 year. It should be the following year. Inti Saturday with last year ni inti Saturday asin nsu eto inti say anye ese nsu ni jaya na chese de nyina no ayakwa inti de wo say ya ni say you follow the safety protocols ni nyina na ye de o say de ma pharmacy de ma omo akodia inti na Saturday o say o hwe ye nim okra na say corona no eyare a it doesn't discriminate inti ye nim ye agree kede. But we make sure that we educate farmers on corona. The office in Mokran, corona process ball. Oba no mask, no entry. So we follow that protocol. Until no, we tell them that first. And sana, because ye in him say, until we take care of their health with the Minister of Health and sana, even look at giving them the education of what they have to do. Until food they should take care of their health and also follow the instructions agriculture officers in the moment. And instructions per se by advice to do what they have to do so that
no cost 70 no come 70 many na manyame ayeden amasre no cost 70 I hwe yare wa be asesiala ibu sesiala yensusu de nana Akufo-Addo oye MPP abani obadwene ahene kurafo ye ho de se yarba bempo astel o de boye ho modern amma yarba bakoro no chere si di e bobra no chere sky dey abi ekotoku inti no kwasem o de kuba bra ye nua mo akan ya hoeden enu de yakofo beye me ya hoeden ya den ye dua amma enfe beye abasar kwa na no iskaba ahene kurafo ye ekotoku ka kire aban de ndase ne ade bama no because yalibebe ina nechi no olukon koden dem obeya yalibe no obechum
ni na na chi no so olojon ekuafo ye ho mo oya medal titi inde ode the me planting for food and jobs see ode ada no aba nti mo be ka kire ye nuanu youth fo yin de wo me nyina yan fa ye ho ye den yan fa shame amigina de me youth ba ma do ahabana mpede me de ye den me didua kube na rubber but kube no abaposam kire de kube no oye nyama pi nti se Nyankopon adom onam na nado dankwa akofo ado ana ye maame wana bokat na ma feku ana ye ne MC Frankokwan ye na da homa na wode the next day wada aba wase wonton do wa ba no na bra bajibi na kokodua na se eye youth awo ho na se enye de medwuma bi na se obi ndua na wo akokodua de a na no ontweyi nti mo ye be ka kire aban de ye de na ase.
It's about time or they revive of an coconut industry na mbidi mo we collapse no into extension officers no hade afi mbetum bring na no woko okamo on education or chechim na wo shi won kran de mfasolba inde ne nkehu da ochena bi hu because coconut ye hu no hade no se ye dem won wia fasolba ben de as part of planting for food and jobs no so de edudue no ode nya market oboto into the factories no all baba kan ho de edue wia na ban na private sector development waba no babato what we are not today is also idiofo into target in the first phase in the 80 may raise 10,000 coconut seedlings and they be a charm free no the next target in the order increase equal 20,000 into between 2020 and then 2021 no next is a year by this time no now you're in 10,000 for more no you are distributing 20,000 the damn farmers and we are hoping that me obey encourage you be there or enter into farming and extra number now be no almost 70% we mbebum and we youth we now so when your interest our agric developer sector no de president dabada no the president of the Brenton and Ketisia on tienso yemfa yunshim ne emboa na factory no be siwa na the team youth no so obomodern we den we nyedwuma ye sei na yeso so mo ye bo president Ghana iskaba ba hade no raso ba ba e krabahwe no bia didas de ono so mbo modern bra idea yin de obiela owo 1 acre bia no obenya 64 kube seedlings no nkoko 64 per acre into say 10 acres I multiply 64 by 10 inimo ebenya e wo chere 640 na ebenya na aboa nti eye yina no na chere factory so be
and coronavirus is taking control over every situation in the country but also my exemptions of omo lockdown the food all those in the food food and agriculture value chain were exempted. That is because they are in a comedy and in agriculture say we are time bound. It's main also a business of 1 year. It should be said the following year. Into Saturday with last year, the Sabias and Sue Eto. This year, yet, let's say Sunny Jaya and I just said the Nano. Ayaka. Until they also say you follow the safety protocols. Nina. Na did also the farmers say the mom akudia internet sabe o say o hwe enim okra na say corona no yare it doesn't discriminate the enim ye agree there but we make sure that we educate farmers on corona the office enim okra no corona process bo oba o horonsa no mask no entry ni na ho so we follow that protocol until no we tell them that first and sana cause ye enim say until we take care of their health with the Minister of Health and Sana, even look at giving them the education of what they have to do. Until they take care of their health and also follow the instructions.
TV, Sinupi, and Ebuswa 18 Comona, they call Western region. Kube, we said that we are a member of Radia, Yameo na we will be happy to wow pa enti ene yesa revival kubeno the seedlings and the MC or etimi the aboa ma akuafo se omungodua se be betimi nya more coconuts ewo oman Ghana be the fraction say ene eya for feeder is an AUM day and then it's also a special day a day ma inuanum muslim for so and awanso muslim media na say yem fancy say or na yem man of body cut the salad right I want to make that PR edema why bia bako
Nyamiado. No, sir.
Nyamiado. Sure. Students.
Yes.
But I who's it? Somebody by your classmates.
Yes.
We
say mostly, we share almost all politicians in this country, about 70 to 80%, one way or the other. Now, we share student politics. Now, one way or the other, you see them either they were agitating. If you're a current national chairman, now or a student leader at University of Ghana, Okadan Boche, Oshe Haruna Idrisu, now a national Lux president, Baba Jamal, a whole lot of them are not on prayer. Another program handy over the man. We are friends on Mani Boama. So Osha, one way or the other, auntie, yeah, so. Your time on the yes. Because we interview almost in penny for more on my immunity. And also a penny, what I can leave, you know. Okay. Because well, you see, it depends on how you look at it. Politics is really, to me, it's about service. Not really about getting what you get to enrich yourself. You see, say, me catch also how I even started politics. You wouldn't believe it because Obi Onimibianim said I was a journalist. I practiced for 9 years. I started active politics on campus, and I resigned as a journalist with Radio XYZ. And I started active politics. I see politics as service, not really what somebody will get in his pocket. Fortunately, I read political science. I understand politics to some extent. I also busy or politics just to get something. Not because we share a awesome, and I will say yes, some on mine. Yes,
but good. Your Excellency, and I am someone pen. And come share what you come share. Okay. I don't know so one person when I may honor from one. And then one person, one man, president from Excellency. But then Evangelist Richard Pratt, a PC, insurance constituency, NDC. Apapa. Yeah, Papa, Bibi Abokode. Nyamiadum, the Nyame bade to me at the Ayama and say, or the Yankwamaye, no Amaya more the account. The Akanadi, a Nini Panche, Kakran. And Timichia and Cremofor, the family Awa Mohammed, so Nan Cremofor, Maya, they are come and that form, but one day after one day, yet to me every Yanyo a year. Nti yababo mabaso menim se omumpa ebo a mabono abeka yanso ye de Easter edi no ho ne ade no nyame behu ye mobo na ohaw ne amane hunu a ewiase nyina na mu no wo sha ase wo boss na nipa etumi ewu ebi kura ye ekuro mu a wo hwe numbers na etumi ye echichire US de no kwa no echichire 4 constituencies. Yes, o konofa constituencies better 4. Enti nyame na nkasa hu ye mobo na on fire nkwa enchen no yi sade we free ho. Na minjia nhia sofo nso a eye teacher NDC for a mususu se metumi agina o manim e wo 2020 abatu yi. Is it time to take advantage of the cost of BP mo nhia so? E dey na cost wo nhia so. Debi a memeka me say ye wo no ma bi wo ho a edin wo nipa ni so but enso Awurade nam ekwan bebre so no ye na die o nti minim de ekoso wo MPP mu die medima so beto to form na awa ka bibi ene ye AUD ye mo ye nyina ho aba so wo the records bi atoto wo hwe corruption the way si ku Africa Ghana ye ho ewom eka ye bo wo corruption ene bosi a ye bo no sometimes enchia enti mefaso na mabo every African we should be proud na ya young yesusoi yam ye awaka assembly ayemede or say politics aye service say you to know ye behunu say politics aye service and say e call me ka nyame asem
obi nti ase say obi a oka nyame ase no aye politics for me nso ye bi andem is one platform a make to media som me man eno nti na ene meti ha mutie me enti ye green ye daache nkwanye ho ya sitna mu nso e wo se ye dwen ho
but politicians they say moko na e bia mu nyina no say na say o ka say black why can't go as a white you still go with the masses as a black
for me a matter of individual way say who strong foundation our usuma umua who didn't try a bedding awa aye fasting ni ade nyina awi I'm not sure so ye ni nyina awi na wa beka ni eni enti so we are grounded in usuma umua na no Quran and a Bible and a guide wa Bible say ni atro nti e na de na etuntuma mi be gina abeka say ni padodo ni say fita nti men so men ka say fita wan ade ni etuntum
mama ko awa every day who is 57 years ago na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na powerful edwin Africa won say in e kabo mu a you can make a change e be si ne Africa,
well, Ocean Africa, traditionally Africans ahini ena yedi ejuma pa traditionally before even ahimfo and before say broni ebebana yetimi asesa bedru baby a yedru na yabe democracy no enti meka se efa baby no yekoye nim kakra esan say yedru efa all the 54 African countries in Yinano, ejitu se yenye democracy, yenyinano kamamin kabia mamu yemfa enye ejuma. Senebeya at least say meteho na yewomi asante fijase manantia semitimi ebomod mi humodi ambetimi ekodru apex abeye president not even because say bia mi free her na say mi free her but because say you hunne power me mu a yebetimi amama ye president in that score no meka say yakoye nimpa especially although ye nim say your problems ahodo bebre ewuom Ghana ye transition after every 8 years president in intimi bio but we have some few African countries obi edi sube 32 years in obi edi sube 16 years in obi kura no epese wo sister constitution no ye democracy so epese wo sister constitution no se na be ya obetimi enya na foforo aka ho enti na ama Ghana kura na eduru ba bia ye kan say corona ye ntimi nto aba na kika ho MPP as a political party can say it is not in our interest to cross me to about 2020. We should still vote Senator President Akufo-Addo betime wie na juma by 2024 no be ato aso. Yes, sana ebeko no pepepe nyame tuminti. Eti wo hwe bebia ye dru na meka say akakakra de ye drew the promised land in it, but I believe say yetimi I will say started before EU. African Union you started before your friends the European Union omusua free ho because omuhu say mukabom na munyina no mutimi etu anamo a etimi ebo amo na so bia o madru bia ye dru no utimi hu say yakọ ekire to the extent that we're even discussing common currency hintimi en bomodin kra entimi enhu say ye di even a common currency but you started almost started enche na so Euro, say eka sika ye uti kroma utimi di no but utimi di euro no so emani ye and no na started just about 2-3 months ago make I say Ghana Pride can say ye ready when Alassane Ouattara edi eba say ye best start edi eco it I believe say that is even at the ECOWAS level it I believe say maybe ye drew no akakakra there. But so far, I can say, no, etimi bomodi, ne etimi, ema kabima min kabia mamonu, konkai, ne edi nim, na ye rule of law. Me did say betimi abwa omaino, Africa, abibrim, emaino, ama etimi akwe, and we share
one major thing, Africa,
corruption, kahu, no, a major thing, any even. Idea back a high kese because we share almost all the elections in almost every country. Yeah, policies are who say yeah, corruption.
Right. I mean, I mean, Dr. Akwesi Amache Boateng, a political science lecturer, KNUST. I mean, dot any more on AUD NRV Electoral Commission crack and my dot. What a young kind of Kumo TV Sinopi Malaysia. Hello, Dot. My daughter. Hello. Okay, I think I want to show you that.
Any corruption. We say, yes, you President Yaya Jammeh, time I didn't feel was Kachuchu dia, say, or the Ibiane. Almost all the countries, you know, corruption, dia, so, your mom would be a nimuso. Send ye starting Komodin or Cassette. Obi we say we do politics, no group and pencil be I see economy because Obi adwene say we run politics send be ya obi timi ahye de boto mu ma eno nti okodru a ekwan ya ofa so osom no na of pepan bi so na ofa so aye de boto ma nti ebemma omo a ewo say anka ye development ma omo no na akos atosini hwe ya kwan ya
Dr. Dr. Amache Boateng, senior lecturer, political science, Care University. Dr. What is the kind of work university in Bishop Maru TV? Hello, Dr. Timenka. Hello. Okay, our first one.
Yes. Eti no tinama ubomu say, baby I will say you kuyi kwan. Ye the contract nama. 10% of every side coin or twice. We don't want to be 20% to cut through corruption.
I'm the last time I'm here, Dr. Bateka. Hello, Dr. Tienka.
Hello.
Dr. Good evening.
Good evening.
You say, I really want to hear about.
You have to hear about voice, you know.
You have a friend.
I decided we know. Who you should last speaker on a more Qatar.
Okay, yeah, try a little wedding. Come on, I knew we have a sample. Whatever, and African Union Day will be made in a Cameroon 57 years. Dot, what does it? Yapon kind.
Damasi, 34. I so can't. And kind qua political person, since the free and near me, or minor among yourself, the political development. Now, or minor ethical economic development. Now, we need now. Can now government who approve who some issue upon in education. The share of demand in Kampa, American free, Santia Simu. I can't be so. I be demand upon kind Kaka. Because for who give up is normal. It is true, no, you have faced a fit 1960 in a job, and now Sub-Saharan Africa. So basically, the Mab or Mududono and Yao found it. In fact, 30 years after independence. Now, I'm a man who don't know to me 18 or Mamma was some a year. I say, and Abang was so autonomous of Fabituno, and Abang was so autonomous of Fabituno. 30 years of political instability. The Ghana is not a demand out now from Kwanyimuna. The Hussein and Kosobia Ghana from 1957. The beer, another Mira and Kososha, ever essentially a fourth republic. but significantly, foundational elements be and that is the time of the PNDC. In terms of political development, yes. You see, I know, Ghana, between 1993, better than your team, and she say, yeah, you did do a minor, and just here at them, a bang, a bang, or China, the two banners were near, no chess here, no China chain, now for Abba, and yet, Sana Moy, Makumako, me and Sam. Political training, 3 of them it's not home. Say, you can't be in Sisano. You can say, I did not go no so, and I'm Sakon, you so sad. Now, almost a and 1899. The irony is that Africa is the richest continent on earth, but still, Africa houses the poorest on earth. That paradox is there. The magic assembly in nine. Hello.
But sir, we no few Dr. Baka said yes to the we bring no. Your cost wa concan to Tunisa and that's all one.
But somebody
it was say we don't boss in the few said you mind penny for Tunia Mano. Omokos wa Sebuka Makra and that's all. Ebe
I did mind penny for.
So to tell you about maybe man, a year. Now say your man, say Yako China, you been $60 billion. I don't know, be remembered for a bomb with some, but corruption could across of people, and Yago, it was said the 24 will be men at Tony Amano, a year.
Okay, Ahana, Okasafa, governance, Amamu, Imusam. How and so Kakra Abba. Ghana says Nankopandum and Chasia Yaguma. And then Yakuman could see, but Yaman of some at the set the air that took among your force. Ama or Marshall or how I walk at a Senate project. Yes. Yeah, no more Hama Ben Moa or more court a deal Massamo now court in Chas and say or more minor and the Tino or Munko Fiasi or Mundapadi also. Yanton and Infant Piacano. I receive Muka say you are Ben now or did you maybe or Beshi Yin. Says the educator and say, Uncle. Some year another bang now we're training Yakohechi, Napoli, Muhammad Yankwa. Yakushani say, or no other Muso, Ibisa Air Coswa, or the working political will, in Pisana Mono. So, sadly, Juma, and no horizontal accountability. You know, the sadly Juma, nothing, which like I say, or minor and Tupiano, a Burma Quine. Ama Omanu Sikasem Achimi Echina. Kasani Pro is a dozen degree. In Chinaquaque, our Cotiana Kuchia Friday, our Cotiana Kuchia Friday, Kamano and Koso.
But Doctor, my main for Isika Crazy. Dear Koso, you have talk of Ghana as an opposition party piano and electoral commission in Yadu. I want them to you. And no, I am a dead man bazaar.
Say a say,
yeah, talk of Biano, opposition party, Biano, Sadani, East, no Sadan and to you. Always Biano, I said government in power, and I need to talk of Mr. Yagre. I don't know a strategy Biana, politicians, but parties in use, and I say a little man of us.
This and some of it is no, can be so. So you can no credit there. Now, I was like a mamica abamu. I did about Rumua, Abuama, Asubi, or among the same woman, political stability, Abamu. Anyway, that is what he said. ewo opposition kura no a wo a regime ibetumi ato aba amo tinkunim asi makomakom infa sedem kan no year 2008 and then year 2016 maybe some a regime no on ma opposition parties almost so enya hotin di omu dwuma bia na bia na mbia how ewo no eye akata na hweso di to aba no eno kwa mi se Ghana tintin kata ahunni asem kata di to aba no ndi se kata di to aba no Ghana tintin di ahunni asem yenko si se how kakra wo ho ni dia eme bia no bi wo opposition a enya dia obi ekum na ndisa yewe fi se enwe ye no na abato hwesofo pani no na fofo bi na wo ho Russia lot say kwenda mahama ani yi no ana CAC na nado mreso no urano enye kwan di dia bono na tira kunta no so ama hadu pawo ni babufo we opposition sa na mai nyina no enya dia ori bi fi eno tino se abato komita wo so ene yi no wanye no ho awa no titiye mu amma na meda ho pepe se ni nyema nyina go abontin transparency ntiasie dem obi ahwe hu a han wa mana anye sa opposition kan no beta function because abato afie no for na said this say omudin sise ya they can say any biases via edegu akwan omu betimi ama nkata anase the voters register ready to abano and advantage anybody as it is no and provide some guarantees that even young go to abano krano betimi aboa mekubi amena dinkuni eya shedi anya Ghana nko a yase be probably so witimi na voters register or integrity so be opposition or who kwai or assembly for voters register oka then pase some opposition for no come na so ni sana so bi wo assembly sa onka then they say can say wo mo do no asi electoral commissioners no omo asem kan dia o mbeka se Ghana bojiri ta some omo kan ni nya so a Ghana for point out nya so a eni nsem omo kan otherwise yeah looking the case.
All right. Dot come on TV snippy when your father has passed on your okay, it's me Damas. Good. Doctor Akwesi Amache Boateng, a political science lecturer here at University and Nikodin Komuno. The Ghana for who say the opposition for no can and Tausumua Ghana for mechanism. Opposition is very careful because one really here now one money and also it may be out. But say Ubiano here in so there and one back of Fabana Subimu or for no swimming and nothing memra.
Yes, I say the doc will be summarizing Nina say indeed Africa the high Kesipa any corruptions and any people who want to entrench themselves in power and no na ama abia back or normal back community sabi any even on one say you see kasem or phone in terms of the biggest continent in Nigeria. Major say your raw materials but time biano ye decor and no internal president Akufo-Addo by and idea about why I seen any super and say let's build Ghana beyond 8. The idea about how started and say only Ivory Coast cotton say only say the raw materials in the quadrofona and determine the price. What the only Ivory Coast tenacity yen produce 60% of your cocoa we are seeing now. Do no mutanasi who say yen pe kwan bi mfa so say the cocoa no kwa yen ya na yen determine the price and say na be bit me abo ampa so omo ye so mutu anamu no ama price no apagya mu ekakra but apagya mu that is very important watu anamo anka abaya nyina no etu anamo a bigidi say anka betima one district one factory say ye be add value
anona way
enra kwa na bi okumawu me ko drobon so me ba no me drew tomate udru tomate a on the left side of tomate udru kakra bia factory no mawi 100% complete the entire almost start here COVID-19
some district one factory and each district one factory
say you see one district one factory was a mantra a mantra one district one factory but there are districts where you cannot even situate a factory because we knew assassin knew but I make a say when you set out as a country African countries in Yinaka say raw materials na ye de koron yen add value na yen ton a bigidi say anka yesi kasa no bit me akoni right
our Muhammad PR ma why mama men ko evangelist meet African Union hon yes
African Union hon komo say ye hwe empempenso anka Africa ya ba dia be natural resource na Africa yenya no wa hase empanyifo edinkan akabia keka ne omususu se ama still ayewo ba bia ayewo no me so metumi aka se nipa na ye corrupt enti Africa ye problem leadership. Africa's biggest problem is leadership. Yewo leadership me pese me pa mu mienu yawo proactive leaders omo a etumetena se no mo hwe ehunu enfie bebre nia ebetumi asi na enne omo ye bibi yembe osaje fu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah enne ye wode am hai kania AC yeso dia na Kwame Nkrumah ye some almost 63 years ago. Akosomo, that time not Ghana, your population you're saying somewhat around 5 million, and then we are 30 million. Yeah, and one year you saw and almost 20 years, 18 years in you start to say energy crisis. Under Rollins, Kakra Ebae Otumwana and His Excellency Kufuor Ebae Otumwana mo na okofa generators bi baya papa Dr. Rekubrobe describe on the toys and Mills Mahama Kakrabai by yenya leader bi to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Oka say on person obeso so ano say na bi ampanyifo bi aye na obeso and how many years ni ye obe 4 years muni aban bi aba odi tu no ho se wa beso electricity crisis who be san said na why afa ho a eno so be ye bo achi bibi enti that is the first leadership mama example say omo etumi ye bibi ene bo anchirima
to place that one what place John Mahama say among we the on there now only visit na was so bad
say ya can say
plan ahead of
say ya can say me pe baby a wo de nkomo na ko sinupi bi be sinipi say ya can say metumi aka say across Africa ye leaders are fall into that category proactive omutumi ye bibia years to come enchirimanya so mpaso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we free mo enye ebeyesere ayenijesen say at this stage Ghana wo obi to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mamema some example biom say efa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kania no ade a otu nwana mo ene yenya ho faso yenko health some area ye wo COVID-19 aye health matter yenya hospitals idea na Mahama here some years ago OTC hospitals as Santemamu na yampo no etwa ye ho ahia
o sha say OTC hospitals ana
wɔhyɛ dan bi ase anaasɛ wɔsi hospital
yɛnka twi ni yɛ ɔsantimante woka osisi ayɛ sɛ ɔyɛ
osi atwa yɛ
ɔhyɛ ase si wɔsi to aso
ma me mbobɔ bi ma yɛwɔ kumawu deɛ ɛwɔ kumawu na ɛyɛ dɛn ɛyɛ dan na sɛ dan ne yɛde yɛ hospital nti sɛ obi si dan a na ne plan ɛne n'ani so ade hunu sɛ ɛdan wɔ emi de yɛ hospital na sɛ woba na almost 4 years 3 years 6 months deɛ wie ɛka bɛyɛ 5% ne awie no wagyae ɛwɔ nneɛma na woba na ɔbɛhyɛ bɔ sɛ wobɛsi 88 ne obi hyɛ aseɛ no koraa no aka ketewa bi ne awie no wantumi anyɛ ɛme yankɔ bɛkwae yɛnkɔ afari yɛnkɔ fomina yɛnkɔ sawia ɛtwa yɛn ho ahyia ne enti a his excellency John Dramani Mahama yɛ ne saa sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnim yɛ kɔmfoanɔkye pressure ɛwɔ kɔmfoanɔkye so enti nipa a ɛwɔ saa bɛkwae fomina ɔmo nyinaa any emergency they bring them to kɔmfoanɔkye enti wɔma biribi saa bɛn wɔn a ɛte pressure ɛwɔ kɔmfoanɔkye no so that is proactive leadership visionary ɛno yɛ health yɛhwɛ ɛnɛ yɛsɛ yɛde kanea yɛakyɛ yɛn kanea subsidy ɔmo ɛwɔ ɛtɔ 20 cedis lifeline yɛde ama ɔmo free sɛ Mike sɛ wonni pen a woyɛ dɛ nka kyɛ sɛ wobɛkyɛ me pen but sɛ wobaa dɛ ma pen wɔ ha a ebi kura mpogoro so a wotumi ɛkyɛ mbi awɔ abae wabisa paper sɛ wonni paper ɔdɛ ma ɔyɛ dɛ ma woyɛ dɛ ma no ɔsɛ bisa sɛ wotumi twerɛ so ɔde bɛkɔ ne yɛ sɛ go ahead
sɔfo
saa na ɛteɛ awɔ paper no ni
bisa sɛ bɛtumi atwerɛ so
na wo si ni PS
good and this is just a little example about see a case of leader be a proactive
African country are 54 and over said yenya obi o say John Dramani Mahama is that what you want to say
yeah African Union o he baby abana me cite Dr. Sajifo Nkrumah nti wo hwe ni PS na say saa time anamuntu otu ye no onya saa leaders to say no e other African countries a nkombe lift nkanya ne say o free ha o dey your resources ni bi call other African Ghana for ni bi kura ni anje ho and then ye will be to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The second kind of leadership I work reactive leadership
it will be one of
and only get to be no more came a how ne ba e ho na no mo try say o mo be ye bibi enti eno no in the midst of COVID, I headed towards 7,000. Wabesha Bo, so basi 88 hospitals, and 6 regional we see. Samri, even if or the 1 year in the Bessia, Yabisa Mose, Nanado 1 year, I won't name. One Remuno Nanado ni 1 year. 80. That is that reaction. Yes, assembly to
so the current president, to you, knows a reactive leader. It's about one.
The reactive way no crano mean to me, mano 100%.
Right. But I say, I was when you share come out TV. Many no SUP, Awa, and Afis or Evangelist Pra, and Waha Yedi and Como. But then, all now, about the Kitu Anafi with the COVID-19. Yes, the government effort.
Say, Mike,
yes,
I am even completely shocked. Say, Osofoti ha. Say, Mahama, a visionary, former President Mahama, a visionary, to the extent that Obayano in terms of Kania or known edited to Abba to the extent that I never beside a quine being a fast so as of voodoo swap. Ye nim asema ye becca and also by what you haven't asked.
I don't know.
You're by now, doom so on the 3rd of February, on the 3rd of March, that was before elections, but on the 3rd of March, Upo Ridi My Joy online. The former deputy power minister, I know a minister because that time opposition, any power minister. Now a September acting, deputy na we adwuma jonjina for say we shouldn't blame them for doing so because on be boy any as of doing so. That was in March 2017. For example, for Peace FM in June 2017, I can say Ankayatuma Mahama because of doing so. What are you talking about? And again, it is a fallacy said in Mahama Deba and Intina saw doom so. Because when Kufuor was living, he left 2,800 megawatts of installed capacity. That time na we a turbo gas na ye 400 megawatts na ye. Na that time Sonon Asogili phase 1 na emai Paul thermal plant 200 megawatts na so mai, but he left 2,800 and then peak demand in this country 2,500. Peak demand and then 2,500. Wako high machine saba. Wako high Mary. Wako high car power. Ya high when you gana dia. Mary ni car power. Ya ko high ena diaba. Okay, said Dr. Baumia lectures our ye nyina. Your position as I can say. Dumso is more of monitoring than generation because for generation they war. Monitoring no enunti na ma wote kwa na say we West Africa gas pipeline Nigeria for say omun supply ye gas esan say de omuka ye buy what be that ya ko settle kan nyina ya ko Angola ko ji gas ni bia be kan ena yetimi etua ehun sika ye to crude e de power ina ya wono it definitely yanko dum so bio. That was what we did. You fixed the Sikano aspect of it because even when Kufuor was living, Ghana did not need generation capacity. Yes, because say so ye fide ni nyina obia soso ne kanea yefana sa na 8 o'clock obia ofi obia soso ne kanea de hia ewo Ghana ha 2,500 in a year, but Kufuor kono na oja 2,800. That time also na excess of 300. Yes, not that time also na 400 and nam we okay na my first phase of Asogili Sonon Asogili na also my thermal plant na no so my COVID-19 say obika tell me say oh yeah again we say Mahama visionary LCC hospitals let us something like more Bekwai hospital no Kufuor started in 2007 Bekwai hospital Bekwai for be fresh so be for light aferi Serua Kumewu Kufuor project Eroject. This was settled 2008. Me say 2008 Kufuor kofa enkrofo by say omumbeye hospitals mako and 9 e Ghana ha nyina Salaga ka ho Konongo ka ho say omumbesi omu free Egypt ye from Eroject the invest omuban 10 key enye say bia ye be mo miskasio omu besi omu siria na oma ahandi over the keys na my and finally started to omuka. That was what how he started. It took NDC 8 years. It took them 5 years for them to even start the project. But what ye bibia yenya parliamentary approval, any cabinet and parliamentary approval in September and October 2008. But it took NDC up to 2014 to even start. Up to now, you buy any baby back home. Okay. Yes, one regional hospital, it was part of the Eroject project. You buy any area wadiano. When also you because Kufuor started. If in 8 years you could only tell us say it tells you how ineptitude that government is.
I will say obvious numbers because 0543596070. Pharmacy didn't fast WhatsApp now in American kind of. But on COVID-19, it will be 5 minutes on COVID-19. COVID, they say 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, I share COVID-19. I
I believe says we read the Washington your friends saying Times or more publication on COVID-19 almost say baby a COVID-19 akodru no e was say superpowers a wo wiase nyina no esua enkuro nketwa especially Ghana sana omuchro in that article. It's just widely published. Esan say acquire ye fa so fight COVID-19 addiction ya to the extent that ye can countries maako 15 a omo wiase ha omo manage COVID-19 ya ka ho. Normal president started some time back after in the UK any France krano the quarantine say ni pa bia omo beba na ede omo akoshe baby for 2 weeks no Ghana ha ye no krano obi anye bida because oko Ethiopia o ba said o ba na o quarantine e was say ye hwe o capacity ubetumi tua oman no entua ma kakra bi na oman ni tua ma omo Uganda kra de o ba one obey arrangement or not why bibia uba hotel now for 2 weeks and one obey but yeah no obia oba bia ni quarantine ADD free ya to the extent that uba in terms of testing make I say me call Asante Afia na me ko kumu na nkwan so na me hu say Westphalian school na e wo ho no I training optical so they say hokra na e voluntary testing ote hokra na say hu say kata che wo na ke kon say na e ka symptoms na otin ba ho me test wo ma ne na ya twu sample no na e dia ba eti COVID no ya manage no aggressively e kwan ya fa so e manage no e na president a manager a masisi kura ye hu say e wo say superpowers kura ne esua bibi e free ho. President Akufo-Addo started with restrictions restrictions in about lockdown after lockdown the year be nipa yenya omo nya COVID-19 nyina no 80% of omo nyina omo from asymptomatic omo ye nkrofo a wanya yare no wote ha o ahoden o bibia nanso yare ne ko testing na ewonimu enti obetimi dia ma obi nanso ontimi emfa ma ono no ebia na immune system no den enti obetimi ne ho kora betimi asato but wanya yare ne bi omo na yetimi ekochi omo ntenhwe kuro bia omo manage ayi nyina no covid obeti say si nipa be 30-40 eda intensive care units ebi ewo ventilators so ne keka Ghana nyame ncha de obi ani ho ventilators so omo a ase omo den kakra nipa be 4 and omo
yes I think about 8 in critical condition
yes about 8 enti omo a omo enya omo ehu enya yare na omu ya kakra omo 32 na ewu ya ni nyina obi eni ho oburu 24 hours yare no eche no within 24 hours na omo will because or underlying health issue bi eti wo hwa omo ehu ato omo nyina ena be 2070 ena omo ho ato omo eno na ma former president Mahama say won te ase nipa bebre ehu ato omo sa.
I've not heard him say.
The spokesperson Joyce Bawa Muntari.
Yes.
Bibia Joyce Bawa Muntari Bekambiano is supposed to come from him. And then say
let's set the record straight. We the Bawa a question no
spokesperson of former president Mahama. Yes. Yes. So former minister now spokesperson for former president Mahama.
That means so the baby
former spokesperson for former president Mahama said a year then and words always how the hell said will be a whole tunnel. And then one was said between that 12 March and today, nipa 6,000 or more enya now 2,000 one to modia and no dear air one abraya kachira was about 80% air or more or manya yare no nisa or more no boost immune system or who beats me at all and no na or more year copy say and then ya be drew about 2,000 in the coming days and also it be brave and because you can say about 50% of omuninano etifie eti omu fie na ye hwe omu enti eno kire se anka yare no adidi ni mu a wo yare a ya mana nkotena efi
fa we try to make it we just in a minute who expect to say in the coming days no his excellency announce say be restrictions no wagum ama from commercial Muslim for some commerce sorry school from school. Are you expecting that?
Yes, and I would say President on a hint of that. Of course, COVID-19 Eid celebration, virtual Eid celebration, Chief Imam, all kind. Say any money expert and penning for a year consultations, including Ghanaians in say ye easy restrictions na ye work currently. Inti I expect to say a year omampeni ebeba by the ending of this month he's coming a year dia oba bana oba no I know say there will be some easing of restrictions. Restrictions say you be in every holiday. There is no way say be in every holiday, but there will be some restrictions. Bijiri say Ghana for you and be say started from lockdown, kind restrictions, lockdown. Then to say about restrictions in the boom send me a Maya including Germany, UK, and the USA. And we are a boom kakran kakran and bear common economy no a bit to me according to so for be break race at the
Evangelist, COVID-19, you say do 6,000. Death to the
COVID-19 ne ho nsɛm no sɛ yɛyɛ the politics a yɛ na ɛha adwen kakra ne enti a mepɛ sɛ meka ne saa ne sɛ aban anamontuo bi ɛnkɔ yie yɛ wɔ position yɛ deɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛka me metumi aka sɛ the whole thing no ya abayana montuo no ankoyie from the onset. There was no plan. Anuntina lockdown noise nearby ya buying a lock down. When we were around 200 and something numbers no. Na ya lete lockdown no na ene ya 6,808. After lockdown no numbers no kwabo ayenya na bro Bibia Ayada buying a pretended so ye bibi.
Oh, you call it a pretend?
Yes,
Obama from neighbor become this year. By na quarantine, my make sure said, you will plan. You will need to have an ye my PPs, abandon PPs, or didn't yama Emma, abandon making sure say Ghana Casus the media more. Nah, let me fight the disease.
Net frontline workers. Yes, I'm almost 50% of the salary.
Me word pretend nona ama awa ni ajesa. Because abai ma nipa ehun say anagana fo ehun say oye bibi, but in woko for mu ankasa ni abai pa kire say oye no. And it numbers in there, but no only you and they say, and I can say, no, baby, share one of the media platforms. One him said Navy, Western region, Navy officers in Nibi, and your doctors are Navy, health, even frontliners, I didn't think there was a banner, sir. Who you shoot the word PPE?
Italy over 100 doctors.
I buy PPEs and I have a coin. And when he once a politics are ye information, especially your position. A month for to me, I can almost some direct because I was said, Obi wa hospital, not PPEs, and to me go through what Mete hospital be many or work health Pamina or Chesan many work baby or say I'm the pro some and you should the word Obi area. Omo na wo from wo but se wo awa amania abaya dey say awa better platform is so I can dey
health minister be kan for be say uncrophobic divert and the
good you see it's part of leadership
no
we need plan who to me abeka challenge say wo health minister ya dey bibia sha wonsa adeɛ no wogye mu ɛwɔ sɛ ɛkɔ fam ɛnuru baabi a ɛkɔ no na mmom obi wia which means ɛyɛ either sɛ adeɛ no wode ma I'm happy for one thing nneɛma bebree a ɔkeka yɛ a nanado the following week na wabɛyɛ na wabɛka ɛyɛ good for democracy sɛ wonim ne nyinaa nka yɛnyɛ opposition but opposition nso wɔ bi ka deɛ mepɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ te aseɛ ne sɛ yɛmfa nyɛ politics there's that politics side yɛbɛka nea wɔ sɛ health workers ne nsa ka no ɛyɛ aban asɛdeɛ yɛyɛ deɛ as opposition yɛbɛka they may not like it but they must give it to them because ɔmo nkwa ɛyɛ on the line na yɛdɛ na doctor ɔkɔ sɛ obi yadeɛ ɔno no kɔ fa ho kɔnya saa yadeɛ ni
and yet Ghana wow it happens elsewhere
go
to Ukraine even Russia fair crowd or
the mistake a yɛ nyinaa yɛbɛyɛ ɛne sɛ yɛbɛtena aka sɛ even almighty America Italy
just because they are a near perfect society.
You see, we can even do more with this COVID. So why are you here? So why are
you say PPs be their health and not frontline workers in the
what's the health minister and my girl? I want to say Omugria.
Intina Omugwana.
Mamu Ghana for
no, what's it frontline workers in you?
No, that's not me. So
would you say Oba PPs in Omunya Binana?
And the basic fact. Minia.
But I can't also say these frontline workers after some of your Duma or your health center for you. So it's possible, say
Minia. Yen share idea from this angle. Me here pen the actual. What the answer would depend on my mission. Actually, there may be questions, there may be answers I must give as to what the man medium here. And as soon as I mean, ya pen and throw for mammy, was he a be a man unquammy, you know. Ain't he almost fan or ho? Yet, sir, almost crumble a special arrangement transport. I'm almost our mebwa.
And look at them and lockdown, you know, sir. Those that
is how come it was supposed to be time a year lockdown because a year lockdown. Trot for no nyejuma, ebi nyejuma, taxis ebi nyejuma. Enti okwa ejuma na onya kwan enko we yamani incentive back when they say the salary ni 50% beba be count. Me my wife a nurse. We na on your front line. But taxes na a work of more in your fund. I reflect here the amount. Exactly 50% and also and no idea I can say the more and also a count. What the heck? It's not what
I just came to this.
I can say I try not to interject, but near woman said when it comes to the fight of COVID-19, say adia no ye kunwa yenhwe ebeye medempo say ke yego Ghana's solution to COVID, Africa's solution to COVID. We don't seem to have it in Ghana here. Lockdown ye copy away. Lockdown which country idea?
That's right.
Send me a almighty American. Yes,
our lockdown was November. The lockdown is different from lockdown. The lockdown a total lockdown.
This is lockdown issue.
The Americans say on the lockdown. Baby, you'll be seeing a total lockdown. The Americans say we're doing education.
You have it. You have it.
NDC move. Yes. Our NDC MPP no. Wakofa the intino ma main kasa yo. Wo hwa on say NDC or kasa be yedi yankoso. Ni ame kasa me kan this. Ni ame kasa me kan say. I wish say ye benya ye solution. Even in normal ye de fighting. Adentina yenhu yen fa yen roibi
immune boosters be 13 year
yeah try
look at immune boosters why first near immune booster
yedema nkrofo normal recover. I would even with Senka by now almost 5,000 people are recovered. We should all be happy. This COVID does not know NDC ni anase MPP ni enima wa enim Richard. It is a yenya no ebro tempo na approach America for say and no man who say Ghana enye dru. Omo so mefa bi metra. It's our game.
Evangelist, what share said no be easy restrictions no.
Restrictions no. Say ye can ye be school. Award asofo ye die ewu mu award say fasting when to me and come asalachi nti emfa chance of
school or head churches and mosques.
Yes.
Now if you want politics because political activities rallies and those things
MPP for aka chire pa the politics nti minim say omo be ma president pressure so on left omo primaries no muntu me nko yi as we speak MPP ni flag bearer official omo ni bi omo nibi NDC wo flag bearer omo decide say running mate won su bo flag bearer wo nibi agransi ya ne mo na eko mo ni mo ko mo primaries enti medium ka mesre the way our numbers na ikosoro restrictions no must not be lifted because of politics say MPP aka e kire ni nti ni ebe hia ne say me asori ni ade yi nyina asofo ni bi impede me be kai but meka
kitwe bi na
ye nyina ni say e ba na nsori na standards ni nye dey say e bi kura kwa asori wo classrooms e bi ni pa no aba pe so o ba ye schools no nso a they say ye wo classrooms bi wo wa fa ni pa 54 ni ade me call state experimental my class we were 54 in one day 80 ye ba hia more facilities and no na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni visionary we nebe mu awa eyene de also eyene de no otisi schools the idea behind community schools no school community bia wo
the electoral commission say sister na mun ko so na igusu yidi hun ko ba but chief imam o man message na muzami for ewie akonte konkron no o say emenye bibia ba ko basa e dey abo man no why they likely say obi bibi an basa ba bishop ajina sare say electoral commission face women so electoral commission tino yo bibia no mo special om eye yam twa ho na sisi aye ba e be din ko
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba ye bimu. Sini papa be na upe biashe. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena ye.
Right, yes I Emma ya hefa kwa haya Kumawood TV Sinupi Ibuswa yetin koma wa Muhammad eya waye PRO na afi Evangelist Richard Pra so ye PC NDC Emma Nigeria constituency Ibuso yetin koma wa denche no fabra on 0543 596070 na yenya brand kan fa Emma. Okay, well about our my main fa is the na fi obi a oda so ko the electoral commission chief mam say e me enya de bia na be ya sum de wo asoman e betimi e free answer then the people say I said electoral commission ya ye chinchina tredo mia na me de me ho mia me duma no me tini bia ka bia minti e yes sir fa how be ma the next chief mam be kan
yo before say me buy no so na me ka say evangelist eti ha say sa lockdown na ye sua free baby na ye the lockdown no ye sua free baby a de ye no na obi eni ho we bi sa koko Italy a lockdown was total lockdown oko almost all the countries are here lockdown, even Zimbabwe here, to the extent that market women are born should just because the lockdown might be. But in Ghana it was a partial lockdown. Again, young can be a president and can be a numbers in a day lockdown. One can be a say 200 in a lockdown. Or see ye lockdown. Na ya ye normal miensa ye can say ye contact tracing, quarantine, testing quarantine, and your friends say treatment. And no ena ye. It ye share na ye who say ahano concentrate wa ha. Ye betimi akoya na ya ye ya easy no. And no na ye easy no. Was any local solution? Local solution be e na chance say nipa no ehon to mu ne ya. Nipa be 2000 ho ato. African solution enuna Mauritius edu omo ayinaba Madagascar sorry omo do omo enuna ba ye test aba
but enuna Ghana ye nyanye bio
samples
from information minister samples aba enye samples aba ye dia ko wasoma no amama nkasa samples aba ye dia ko FDA for testing ye hu se ampa ye immune booster betimi asa yare na ye use but locally ekwanya ye fa so treat malaria ni other ailments no eno na e dey here because there is no vaccine for it nenso emprofo ehunto when you are in opposition you don't criticize for criticizing sake say me criticize omunya hwe what ha ensu a wonum kro ye free what's the for 3 months Ghanaians are taking free water. Say unnumusio na watu ebula kura na wunumwa. Kani I won't feel 50% ye off. Aha, I baby ye tie kura studio. Mutu ya 50% of the benchmark of your first match. Eti so say onyeshia 600 million cedis the amount kure. Ye chama omo se na beya betima boost omo businesses na boy. These are anamua president ni etu on electoral commission. Yete ha wona waye referee e wode mo ha. Ye baaye no wo se ontena ha na mentena ha. Eno na beboa ama watimi moderate program ni because obetena bia metia na se bia wote bia na wantimi moderate ni producers na se da bi chinchina betena ha bijidi se obe feel uncomfortable wantimi nye program no ma ni ye wo electoral commission a omo ye referees omo se emfidie a omo di ye dwuma no ayedada emfidie no omo di kwa enyeyi register na ekuta omo no e wose omo sesa no enti omo sesa na no betimi aye adwuma ne ye omo ntia mrabia NBC for your political parties makuma 24 in this country
13 out of the 24 say yensesa register. Ebi a stay out the CPP any baakono pakosi ndum no so a stay out. NDC ni about 4 political parties say yemma register no enka baby I won. Again, obia emfa ni nsusu yembra say bia o kan say machine ni nya papa na ka wa be catch say debi papa yeni say e be ye. Up to now NDC for emfa technical argument by say ye register na enye. The ME Depan say and the NDC for court. That is what they are supposed to do. And ya yam piana o mo na ma obututumo. Court. Esan say isi no ye bibia enti amra. Isi no say the beboa na pa ne say no ye credible elections. And he say obetimaye. Metete say NDC for say 2016 and one edit to abadi na na for do buy ampa. Maybe be free. As a Korean ponebe within the Aswazi constituency, which he can buy. Maybe no be a breaking in your papa. And so many crotch ye kakran and may be drew her. Maybe drew her fit our ha. So second and one and maybe drew her. Timothy Miss Sandy Ako. On here no drew her. What do I say? Fit for her in your can prepare. It can and your papa. Inti and was said, me say ye bet me as some breaking in now. I was saying, Sissan. Nay, do can I say, was Mrs. Sakan and Mrs. Sakan because on she and is a brick can so and register no I problems. Abuda Madame be called court. Omo can say omo air register, omo de a registration, omo de health insurance ye. San microphone ye knew omo dim free mo. Ampa easy edini be free mo. But a big came because one be catching so many men you win free mo. Eti ene. The so ba memfa old card number. Esan say obi old card ma enkrofo bi da sukuta old card no.
That is suspicion.
Any suspicion. Nipa na Supreme Court can say yen deleting in free mo. Yan general card no in free ho. It okuta old card no de bechra. Okuta fake card.
Ghana can you be an
yes. Yesterday Ghana card. You can say Ubianya GPS address. Na me nibi. Na me mame anase me nana bia wote asante afia se kura se na wodi bi. Nso inya obi e ma ne je aginemu e ma ne ye card ni bi.
The assurance
card
na te fa de buy ne say mo bi ampre no ho even possess I interview even possess so mo antimi kura no anya this time round that e be your offices.
Many who can say me but me got a passport. Met me a guarantee my ambition for nipa 10. Nipa 10 no so bet me a guarantee my nipa 100. 100 bet me a guarantee my nipa 1000.
Inconvenience.
There be any inconvenience.
Also because of
there be my year na my big na ho me year na me name ambition for na buy. Me year ya me year or passport there but ono so e ho woye na maye mabusuafo na omo ho no na hwe na omo register na ba kwa register onya card na mekọ na woye nipa 10 woye nipa 10 na omo so betimi aye nipa 10 saa na be ye no na yetimi aye ye pe credible register e betimi aboa because when you said nipa 17 million in your register no abnormal anywhere in the world, especially when you have a country that is not an aging population. So over 50% of 18 and above on your register. Now median age 19.5. It tells you that you are living in an abnormal because South Africa. On median age here 21%, but even 48% and the world register.
We say SMI tell the NPP man that Nanado is trying to ease restrictions simply because he wants to pave way for the EC to compile a new voter register, but not in the interest of Ghanaians. But he will lose the 2020 elections whether a new register is compiled or not. Ghanaians has missed JD, I think how Miss JDM. We a teacher go fresh. Inside was Miss Fremon. The other day Abba and no. We just say, okay, right. We say, good evening. My name is Isaac. I'm watching Kumarud live from Libya through God Bless NDC. Okay, God bless NDC. Not the other Abba no. Zach the other Abba from Ejura. I say it's really pity to the ordinary Ghanaian in the hands of NDC and NPP, in which they care for only their stomach and families. But election has come. When election comes, I think that's what you want to write. Every party is portraying itself as if they care. Politicians are indeed devils. Wow. Sorry. I think I don't side with this meeting. With that. And then Chairman Ernest Kwekweji also sent this one. Please read to the hearing of my friend Richard that lockdown extension is employed by Akufo-Addo to prevent election campaign. This was said by NDC Guru. So tell my friend. Okay. The General Secretary. Me say friend no what General Secretary. Also to the Abba, but Adam said this Abba means me can we are working on it. I'll come to that. Mamiko evangelist. Minti on easy. Meda empanyinfo ene omo I started A2 easy for Chief Imam nyame enkoso no nhira no onye ne kase Reverend Ajenasari nyame enkoso no nhira no onye ne kase ane empanyinfo a omahu se pempenso a yedri ewo se omode omano etum enya me nwanwa se MPP e support to the ECA bia omuhu bibia wrong. The argument no yaka no bebre but ene Ghana fo ehwe me empempenso a yewo mu me ne wo ka se aka bosome enum na ya to aba ye fa se bosome nsia yenim de abeso wiase nyina abesensen ye kon eye COVID-19 ene yisi say voter register 2012 ede John Dramani Mahama ba ya MPP nana led by Nana do omo say omonti ase omode Dr. Baumia ko gina box mu ama General Mosquito at a point cry bisa Dr. Baumia eye chatuchi kata bisa no say you and I were not there dance fu a obedia dance ye no okotena court judges animu say na oni ho na wo so judge na say lawyer obisa na say na wo so ni ho nso no so okodia dance ye mu say ebubo won enti eye omo ade wo madwi mu a say ombe change register MPP for etaka say Nanado they over 1 million a win here which is false vote no and 1 million but we can grant them that and then you breaking it down easy at the CI eco parliament na enoma almost say yama omo kwan no mo famra no mo fam be new voter register no aye say aye me voter register le krami 2012 2016 even this district assembly December assembly I know na me neto ye awa kasa mu no say e bi die kura mu ye fake but you see say I can't be a grammy ye fake na said ye to aba na me call police station when him say ye bet me amu say me can't be ye fake easy to find out
ye true dey na wo the way kwa ye hu say ye fake because ye true dey foforo
dem mama you evangelist also
and na easy krata o de call ye no omani card ye grammy ye free say me to me fan call say me dey register you na no mo muhia ye passport awa se one na yiri nyina wo passport ye de rade ase say awa ne na yiri nyina wo passport ni esansu wo mu ne say omo sansu hia NIA card baby enya wo san hia okuta passport eno ano no
awa wo ma men kamasem
yeah
what can we be meeting them oko MPP what is
passport I mean
passports
ubetimi asa eje
enti obi a ni tiri nye ete say awa one ne yiri nyina kura passport. I'm sure say the money nyina our passport on went to me anye NIA card no ye nyina ye ni masantemantam anhie so akrampo ebi kodi station for 4 days na me sesa bi kofie de bi asanso de omoba ebi beda ho ye nyina ye ni mo akefo a mo hwe mo nim enye ntro enu mpono omo se omo atumi a register nipa 11 million but omo ekura omo card no 6 million sa 6 million no under 18 for so wom enti wo titi free mu a 18 and above no kura endru 5 million aka say 6 months emre ni yafa you don't speak for the EC, do you?
EC for the say I message no PR say when omunim say aka 6 months but they are capable, they can do it or how they say you
or how I woman say Ghana for yet nasi na easy for say or how be any easy for say or how be any me I'm in this game I mean on the field you have limited registration for 18 last year awo for ne mu amu na mu bi any or how ni amani hu na mofra ne fa mu say easy we say aka 6 months and you okay they can do it you see we yan chira omo adwuma omo ye awa you sue example bi say ne car di free asawasi ana ehefa edeba ha say na ni break nya say me car me deba e break ana say ezo sumponye me your friends are jobless apapa na me ba ha say nya dia wo say me ye say me jaka no ha say me hia car mo no because ezo sana me tire pai. Nobody does that. You get yourself a new time. Now, there's no machine that works 100%. Mo cameras you could ample. How kakrabe to me about? The way you say you fix the problem. So we say machine a woody a referendum. Machine a di nanado. Machine a di assembly we say 4 to 1. Now count 6 months. The over to me and say we may change the whole out. New one of problem. New one crowd won test it when himself almost training of trainers almost you should that year almost on best and the year training machines in them by Ghana and any papa for the young man to our dream ye time and move forward
we say I'm watching you live from Sefi Asanyo, so may God richly bless you and your panelists. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, we say Samai, I'm watching you from Maxim. In fact, you guys are doing well. Tell the NPP man that either they like it or yes, we will not allow the names to vote. They should get in the police station and see what will happen. Wow. Nanama, we are sure. We say good evening, Samai. The best late afternoon political show is airborne, and I entreat all political animals to be glued to their seats for better and accurate facts. Greetings to Honorable Gatwit Nati, incoming MP for Apchema Nwabieja North constituency. We from Kwame Ababa, Achia Sikumasi. Kwame, Chiapa, only Unibafobia. Okay. Was it? Hey, Samai. So can't you tell Awa to tell the truth? The truth is that Nanado has failed, and he must understand that by 2021 he will no longer be YEAPR. Okay, Charles Akono Mankesi, Charles so the free Abba, I don't know. Sita, so the about Sita Awa, the court never said anywhere in the judgment
that voter ID card is problematic. You should stop the lies, or better still, quotes to ask where the judgment the court says so. Okay, none of the Abba and also no right. Mami mi o manu tum 0200603602 we screen here. Numbers no ego so wait me afraid near to Kashane so this is TV inti ofra na on the volume of your television set no akofom na what you e wo phone you better nka come na afi do ka bia no get me at we say please Mr. Host, I want you to ask the chief imam whether he is a religious leader or a politician. I think chief imam then okay your chief imam or YEA Youth Employment Agency PR and to chief imam Padaroma we say good evening, I'm Kojo Owusu from Techiman. If register is not correct, okay, I believe if voter register is not correct, and then the assembly elections and the new creation of regions is not correct, then why? Okay, what do you know? Say a two question as we say I'm telling you from Libya. Nana Addo have done well for COVID-19, so NDC people should keep quiet and support him and stop talking. Okay, Yanko, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Well, I think that okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Samak. Mchapa, na mamini kancha mimi amuso mu Libya emestapia amuso mitiupa imichoni abishafu na mu Libya mchamo semiti kuma wuda mukoswa nti kuma wud na sempa ufi amuso betie awa osimeti ambakope na yiso osofo someti ojo osofo na ebetu kankamu nchia eso minister Ulimjepa na wase opa fan krenya sofu anofanya minya no eneja okoja enti ene bia ba no wa onka en ata me kan se no can be say if na tikiti no mahama ne sowe ata da bia mo me kan okre because before say 2017 na ku far beba na life some day no so wuni na ayi na diploma nti abaso bode owa yemo mahama abaso because me can say amaridi na misawa can say mahama ekwaje se ye de mahai mususu no baaye obeje the 15 years adia nya na mahama ka within 5 years no ebe ye dia no ena mo standing for 15 years 15 years is ludua omo san fa machine akọ be mahama
okay yana say for chi hello good evening hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm just never free until
I'm a patch away. I'm passing them from Casapin.
What's a friend? Boko.
Okay, this is not good of our government. I can't imagine. And say, I put that idea from what in Europe. I know we bring baby. I am looking to our survey. Here, I will go to Kill so at our time water. Let me show say, if you now with me and you to man, I mean, it's your couple of how they change you. So if you ain't a Ghana for any of me, Anaka, I card. Other than one, there is a whole 200 cars obey it. If you I was there, you died your I hope I say every human organizer and I will my home. It's almost for every people to
okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, hello, never free.
The call has been put on hold. Well, please wait. The call has been put.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We never free until.
Hello.
We never free until.
Registration number hello.
TV no. Lower TV phone.
Hello, Sir Mike.
Good evening.
Good evening. Bachoboko there. yo friend me ma me kasafi achimoda abatu ampesua so Mike message fansabo minua Awa Muhammad abeti ma me why Mike Awa Muhammad you be a meeting aka say na owo NDC amanyokurum obo odijuma kama pa de ma NDC but onu atena sine enu hu say NDC amanyoku ye eku bi a sebi no kre ene eku no abunsa ho enti wo hu han no ene odan na nani eba NPP na meeting aka say oba NPP nso edwuma pa obo no nyame onsira no na ya omo kan yisi ne go kan say new register in fact ade ebeye miya ebe ma rehu pa ne say yisi betra say ade na ye nyina enim te enye na Dr. Farjan kan bi ena no ma me kan say charoto say eko kan bi no mu siyan san fan ko okon anim na che ye mpo man ni ye enti say eyide so pa so a beka 2 days kura me aya yisi emfa 1 day en compare new register na ade tia ya to aba na me enka mo
yeah that's see hello yeah good evening
good evening
you are free into
but mau even omoye program na me so
abani wo so yentio
yo majue ejano mpacho de kan de who say ye ewo MPP anase any na about register no as because say in can say party asia because say that day what na for last 3 years but year to about 2016 ebe sinna on say had me money on say to say be change new register now for the situation na you coronavirus stamp and na dia nasara is nura talla ya mama yede but mama ya fara ma yanje Allah ennam sa COVID-19 now sa abat mono enni nyanusu de hine hiya chen ni yanko
okay ya to asipa yemfa wachi unia ga free yentio
hello yeah sama kuma ciao
majo so pa nba
uri aka bowe ni Mr. Free KNWC ai biasa
good ka bowe yentio nyime
ka kwa metia evangelist with atwa ye pa metia no enyumre na matia mi ni awa se atia emuye babi odi ni tia ko se na rum ta do de oho but we near see the whole point of that tia ba no do sign no kre na yi nyina ye buka na bu because NPP wa yira kra se ma sini ye ka na boy yawa ye kan nyina na se kwanya ya paso a NDC atamaniko anabe akaban ya ma ibola kura o my Ghana mu na ibola no kun sabe boda mi kura wonam kwa kono ye nkuna ho kan e ma sabe ademoni abana na do trim woni abato komisa ya kanana kasi one more risk the lives of the Ghanaian voter ele mami awati isaye so anko pese 2020 do not to my evangelist with Accra ni bi ko ti na mu na coronavirus nti do fulu bi enya de e be pleso ne e be pleso kana me say o pa ba sign kuma wuti mi si no ba bi o so ka the register we embassy ne embassy tra because of my Ghana team of one kwa e da bi ya kana me da se woni ya mi da juma
yes so ya da se hello uni ba free yentio
yo good evening
ya joso
but me da ta fin kwanza bona yi
abani yentio
yo ni da wasken ni ne den ti aska fi na ni hawa wa wa ni ya ma anti party no na ni ya en sin kala kred na bi ni bisa NDC for we do rolling e bet na so or register NPP for your support so ye NPP ba ye yan so ye register then time for no I know your candidate Emma IBC as support you. That voters register now, yes register ya na your Troy 2012 you were at Camel and so about the drop for young NPP for the trust voters register no. Now so and Catalan moment and your prior day and secure many beautiful wires or more biometric in the couple. And then I have where my Troy. Now we are on 2012 IPA solid years. A team and this is one better than the summer. Now what kind of COVID-19 in the reason I say, yet and yet draw in register. They say this NDC was said. This year you granted say if you grant you should say on comparing voters register. Yet the old register may be yet elections. December through COVID also enquiry. If you expect December 7th, you have to bar, and this is what you about the bar.
Okay.
And your question is all.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. I have an ask. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, I think that you're talking. Okay, good evening. Hello, good evening. If I talk to you more phone, not lower the volume set of your TV. Why?
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, we never free.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Abani, Yado, so Yanko.
Ayo, maybe Masaudu, but the battery is there again, 2 hours.
Okay.
And you may make your champion for more studio. Minia, you will say, Amabua, this year, of course, I'm saying, Kano correct. Monyo, and never back. Awa, I bet now I ain't see you. I want another movie. What are you saying? I'm what I know. Intimawa Muka what are you saying? And yet, the big was the effect there. Some media men said you. Before so about that trade man so no. They were for 400 I will work one more. My people will more let me than they do. I will not show more who yet you man. Can't go for the man no. It's the father to yet not the man okay. And yet they my man which I will. It is a penny for two. My garden come up and warrior, but the no one can take you and warrior. The warrior in Ayika. The first man in the animal now, the years I want to go away, 1 year no more, no one check, not a problem, it's because of it, and I will begin to do more. I'm not supposed to be a man, how the Amma.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, who's the main for last one? Well, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, FNC. We say hi, Kumo TV, all the way. God bless you for your good work from Kojo Kranche, any of the Abba, and no. We say, I'm Nanama Amwa from Mankesim. I do what you are showing. In fact, you guys are doing well. Keep on with the good work. But tell the NDC man to go and do his homework very well. And then tell John Dramani Mahama to sit back and relax. Wow. Wow. Producer said, when your favor. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, FNC. Alright. Why it will be just a minute here? What is saying?
Before me by I register Makumako in Sia or Mayimo. 1989, na NDC also. 1995, na NDC also. 2004, na a president for and also. Any 2018, register Makumako a friends and 9 and na yai. Baku pet and na a NDC MPP time. Ye be register now. A DNA a sin NDC form Pansa Munko register. Yan can't say a register na NDC form register. The see will be register. Why Guswa ye Juma? Ya launch the job center. Job center no so we Ghana ni na we mabuno na upe Juma ya send your ukwa buchiri na walk into any job center office na wabisa say a Juma or home sa pepe na ya no until you go online, you upload your CV. After uploading your CV, we will connect you to job owners na otimi enya edwuma. That is way online and over register. So we are gonna need uti mankasi uti dwaboso oko online www.yeajobcenter.gov.gh. Center is CENTRE, not TER, not TER. Okwa ya upload enjuma bebre okwa okay so we enjuma obenya bia.
Right, Awa Mohammed PRO edima Youth Employment Agency. Oh my Ghana. Say mebunu awie school GHS SHS upe imane de oni okasa edima kwa yi. Awa Mohammed. Yeah, Awa Mohammed. Yes. Yes. Yako.
Na awa te ha say me hu say all kind nsa. Ne minima de ko. E che na me hu say no all kind register na ne party dodo I think enye proper say NDC na aye dodo nti o mo so ye bi to equalize but see hospitals there won't to mean say
yes 8 aka
we say yes 8 akefo ye nyina yemfa Ghana say ye dia ni ye no ye nyema Ghana ye bebo Ghana no ye nyina ye nkasa ntia right easy any new voter register no time name wa mo bibia ni wa
parliamentary candidate for the NDC in Chelsea constituency and our training camp we dey at the Mike the producer Bernard director Sam Darkus sounds na Ochinozo Bernard ijina camera dem try my sounds Mano MCR for no Augustina Loretta afi DJ Lofty and Queen Age, Minano, Ebwai, Emily Medino, 8 million. I may have much now 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. The essential, that crowd.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biyashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu